Hi, everyone. I wanted to do this real quick, and I apologize for the janky audio if it sounds weird because I'm just using my computer to record this. But I wanted to show you this new feature that they have where you can edit your photos just to adjust the color and the tone and that kind of thing. And it really is very handy because a lot of times things will look fine, and then you upload it to Etsy and it kind of looks this yellowish tint or it's dark or whatever. And I'm going to show you the difference between the two. Unfortunately, I'll put them right next to each other. This one's the before, and then after I adjusted the photo, it's this. And I will put these right next to each other right now so you can see the difference. The second one is obviously more white, and it is actually the color that the butterflies are and that the cake is. The first one is a lot more yellow in tone, and it doesn't show the color as well, and it just looks kind of dingy. Now to do this, you go over to the app and you have to go into the listing that you want to edit, obviously, and let me take you back here. So you're in the listing and you want to tap the photo that you're going to edit. So I'm going to tap this first photo. Down at the bottom where it says edit, just touch that and that will open up the editing window. Now they've added the adjustment over on the right. So it's the two little icons at the bottom. It's the one on the right. If you click that, it'll open up all the adjustments and you can adjust anything you want. For this one, it's very yellow compared to what it looks like in real life. So I'm going to tap temperature and that I can cool it off, meaning add more blue to it and take the yellows out. So I'm going to move that down a little bit in that way. If I move it up toward the warmth, it makes it more yellow. Clearly that is not what I want. And I'm going to make it closer to what it looks like in real life, which is about right there. And then I want to adjust the saturation a little bit, which just means the colors are going to be brighter or kind of more dull. If I take the saturation down all the way, you can see that makes it black and white. I don't want to do that. But I don't want to make it so bright like that it looks weird. I just want to get it to where it kind of looks like they do in real life, which is about like that. And you can do the other things if you want. You can adjust the highlights, the shadows, the exposure. Just go in here and play with it. But you basically want to make your listing look like what it looks like in real life. And there's absolutely no way you can 100% make this look the same for everyone. It just doesn't work that way because people have their computer monitors set in different ways. So don't argue about, well, this isn't going to work, because no, it's not going to work for everyone, but you can make it look as close as you can on your end. And that's all you can do. And then put colors may vary in the description. Okay. When you're done, click the little check mark up at the top right, and then click the arrow, and that will take you out and it will save your changes. And you are all set. It says photo changed, and there they've changed it. Okay, so now you have a photo that looks more like what it looks like. It just looks better. And I'm going to go back to, I'm going to go back to my desktop, and I'm going to refresh on the desktop here. And now it looks better for me. So it does here, it looks darker than it does on the app. Now, this is what I was saying. You can't 100% adjust it so that it looks the same on every device. So all you can do is get it as close as you can, and then put something about colors may vary in the description if that's something that your customers do care about. And never promise to match a color on Etsy. Please just don't, because you can't do it. I might have my monitor set so that the green is very strong and everything looks green, and I like that. But when I'm ordering things, it's not going to show what they look like. So you don't know what your customers have their screen set at. Just don't promise to match colors. But this is a good way to adjust your photos so that they are a little clearer and they look a little brighter. And it's just a little bit better than having dark and yellowish pictures because of the way that cameras work. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.